to day 5 of the Simply Stated Christmas Cheer 2024 Advent Calendar. All right, let's check out day 5. Here is our day 5. Unfortunately, I was a little too rough with my tissue paper and I broke it. But that's okay. We'll still make great projects with it. Okay, let's see what day 5 has to bring us. A beautiful little glassine envelope with some more of that green damask that we had another day. And oh, such beautiful ephemera. Look at that Santa. He's so gorgeous. And then we have the Happy Childhood Santa that we're all familiar with, I'm sure. Oh, and Santa by the fire, placing presents. And here's a bigger one of that. I love that she includes so many sizes. So then it doesn't matter if you're doing a layout or a card, you've got some ephemera in the size you're going to need for sure. Oh, look at Santa relaxing there. That's awesome. And Santa with his beautiful reindeer. I always love those ones. And Santa outside the house with some more reindeer. Just gorgeous. Awesome. I'm so thankful for this kit. I'm so thankful for day 5. And I'm so thankful that you all came to spend it with me today. So please come back tomorrow and let's get into day 6. Boy, this is going fast. La, 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 la.